The first step was to make sure that the tubes were clean. To do this, I rinsed out the tubes. The next thing we needed to do was put the smaller tube inside. We made sure that the opening of the smaller tube was facing the bottom. After we got our tube set up, we finally added the sucrose in. Since we had a couple of air bubbles in the smaller tubes, we put the lid on so we could flip it so the top of the smaller tube faced up. After we had it upside down, we flicked at the side of the tube to let the air bubbles out before turning it right side up. Next, we got tape and wrapped it fully around the top of the tube. On the tape, we wrote what hour and nostrils and what bacteria we would put in each. Before finally putting away the tubes for the day, we left the cap slightly open. On the next day of school, we worked on this. We started by flaming our loops so we didn't infect our bacteria. Next, we used the clamshell method to pick up a good amount of bacteria from the plate with the loop and twirled it around the tube. Lastly, we tightly closed the lid and left the tubes to incubate at 30 degrees. And these were our final results. Thank you so much for watching.